Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Aida Syakirah binti SAJAHAN and
My name is Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad.
we are present operating system project.
Okay, so first, in this project, we must have two virtual machines, which is server and client. At server, we have two interfaces, which is ENP0S3, which is to connect to connect internet, and ENPOS8, which is to for internet network.
Okay, for the client, we have only one interface which is required for internal network, ENP0S3.
Okay, in this project, we need two virtual machine, which act as first server, and the second one is client. At server, we have two interfaces. First, connecting to the internet, which is ENP0S3, and second one for internet network, which is ENP0S8.
So for the client, only one interface is required for internal network, which is ENP0S3. Okay.
Okay, next, to configure the network, first at server, we go to the setting and then go to the network. We can see adapter 1 and adapter 2. For adapter 1, we select NAT, which is default, and then for adapter 2, we choose internet network, and in advanced, for promiscuous mode, we choose to allow all so that they can server and client can connect to each other.
Okay, for the client, go to client and go to the settings. And then we go to the network. And then for the adapter 1, we select internal network. And then for the advanced, for the promiscuous mode, we allow all to connect with the client with a server, with the server. We click OK. Okay. For the first one, we need to go to the activities and then search terminal. Terminal. Okay. And then when we go to the terminal, this is the client server. So we need to insert the command sudo nano /etc/network/interfaces. Okay, so we need to insert the password for the client. Okay, I already insert the IP address already. Then we go back, and then the address that we inserted, I need to show with the IP address with the command IP address show. Okay, so for the ENP0S3, okay, so the IP address already inserted lah. 192.168.1.5.24 and the other. Okay. So type clear. Okay, done.
To configure the IP address at server, first we need to go to the terminal.
Good.
Okay, next, we just write a command sudo nano /etc/network/interfaces. Then press enter. and they ask for password, and then we enter the password. Okay, so here I have insert the ENP0S3 and also the ENP0S8. So for the IP setting ENP0S3, it's set as DHCP, and the ENP0S8 it's set as static. So I just need to exit, and then I'll show you the IP address using this command. So as you can see, this is the ENP0S3 that we set as default, and this is the ENP0S8, and this is the IP address that I have insert 192.168.1.254. Okay.
For the testing the connectivity between server and client, you have to execute this command, which is ping 192.168.1.254. Okay. So we have to stop this with control plus C. So the packet transmitted and received 0% packet loss. So it already connected, has been connected between client and server.
Okay, last one. At server, to ensure that we have connect to the internet, we just need to go to the Firefox, and we just browse anything. So for this example, I will use YouTube. I will open YouTube. So I can open the home page of the YouTube, but I will just play any random video. So here we can play this video, which means that we have internet connection. So that's all from me.
So